Hey, AussieDoodle fans. Just wanted to show you a day in the life of Jordan Rogers with Faith's puppies here. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, boy. They've been a handful. Actually, almost 2 handfuls. There's 9 of them. Alright, where's everybody at? So, everybody kind of chills in here. I just brought the light in to help out with the lighting. Get Oliver right there. Watson under the sink. There's Bromby. There's Gracie right there. There's Ollie. And Hurley. Maverick. Lennon. And Ebony. And this is what we do all day long. They own the place. So I have to block off the hallway so they can stay in the kitchen. But as you can see, they've pretty much made this area their home. Oliver is in the cage. I tried to make that like a little cave so they can feel cozy in there. And they kind of like that. So right now it's playtime. Pups. So they like playing with the toys. Just got them that big fox yesterday and they like it. Let's see what everybody else is up to. But every day we're here and we gotta clean up messes and watch them and play with them. Today we ate lunch and they slept under the table right there. That seems to be one of the spots they like in the kitchen. But they'll play really hard for a while. They just got up from a nap, so they're kind of energetic. We like to keep our sandals on in the kitchen because you never know what's going to happen. Angela, could you face that light towards me a little bit? Like, just move it. There we go. So we'll go through and Angela will take the camera now. Make sure you keep it steady. And we'll talk about all the puppies and name one by one here. And we'll start with the black tries. Let's start with the littlest one here. Ebony. Ebony is going to her home this Saturday. And she's doing really, really well. She's 2 pounds, 11 ounces. So she's the smallest of the whole litter, but we really like her. Good girl, Ebony. Sweetheart. Alright, who's next? We can jump over to Watson. Watson is red tri boy, doing really well, 4.5 pounds. Good boy, Watson. What's going on your feet, Angela? There's Maverick playing with her feet. Alright, Watson, we'll see you later. Here's Ollie, black tri boy, 4.5 pounds as well. Growing, got some mess on him. Hey, Ollie. Ollie's always so good when we pick him up. And here is Gracie. Hey, sweet girl. Love Gracie. Those blue eyes are shining. Good girl, Gracie. She was around 4 pounds on the dot. Did we already show you Bromby? No? We'll get a little bit of Bromby here. Looks a lot like Gracie. But I can tell a difference. Good boy, Bromby. Alright. Now we're going to go to Hurley and Lennon. Come here, Hurley. Hurley is on the smaller side there. 4 pounds. Just a good boy. Yes. boy, Hurley. All right, Lennon. He's around here somewhere. Here he is. Hey, Lennon. He's the other red tri-male. Big old floppy ears coming in. Really pretty. He has really taken a liking to under the table. The others will like to play, and he's always over there under the table. That's kind of his spot. So I let him stay there. He's comfortable there. Good boy, Lennon. Is there anybody else we're missing? Did we say hi to Maverick yet? Mm-hmm. We did say hi to Maverick?
That one.
We did Maverick and Hurley. Pretty boys. I'll get it. Oh yeah, the last one. Steady that thing. Come over here in the light. Oliver. He's also going home Saturday. Oliver learned how to sit down for his treat today. Isn't it right, Oliver? Alright. I think we named everybody. Correct me if I'm wrong, Angela.
I think you're right.
Yeah, we did it all.
Skip?
Yeah, we started on here, remember? And that's about it. We'll get you a few more seconds here. We'll walk around the kitchen. Get a puppy's eye view here. You guys like this fox? Hey, Watson. I'm just gonna watch him here. Excuse me. Every day. No. Right now they kind of like to follow feet. There's Hurley and the fox. Hey, I should have ripped that off. You got a whole rope to play with and you want to play with the tag, huh? There we go. But this is our life right here. This is their little domain. Once we calm down and sit down in the living room, they usually congregate right there, right under the table, and some like to stay in here. That's their little home. Ebony likes that area. Maverick's trying to tell Hurley that he's boss. Alright, Maverick, calm down, buddy. We'll see you later, AussieDoodle fans. Have a good one. They're destroying their home. I told you Ebony likes to stay inside the cage. Alright guys, calm down on the blanket. You have plenty of toys. Don't some of these toys squeak? Can you grab that one and squeak it? I want to see what they do. That green one, if you squeeze the head, it squeaks. That's a little. That's a little loud.
That's excessive.
It's a little much. There goes Lennon.